Hi there, welcome back to the Touch to Click channel. In this video, I'll show you how to transfer a ChatGPT conversation to another account on PC, walking you through the safest and clearest way to handle your chat data. Now let's get started. Step 1 is opening ChatGPT in your web browser and logging into the account that already contains the conversations you want to move. This is important because the export feature only works from inside the original account where the chats were created. Step 2 is clicking on your profile name or profile icon, which you'll find in the corner of the screen. This menu is where ChatGPT keeps all account-level options and personal controls. Step 3 is clicking on Settings from that menu. Settings is the control center where you manage privacy, data, and account preferences. Step 4 is selecting data controls from the left panel inside the settings page. This section is specifically designed to manage how your ChatGPT data is stored, used, and exported. Step 5 is clicking on Export Data, which allows you to request a downloadable copy of your ChatGPT information. This step matters because it creates a backup of your conversations in one file. Step 6 is clicking Confirm Export to approve the request. After this, ChatGPT prepares your data and sends a download link to your registered email. Step 7 is opening the email linked to your ChatGPT account. This email contains the official export link, so make sure you check your inbox and spam folder. Step 8 is clicking on the data export download link and downloading the file. The file usually comes as a zip folder that holds your chat data and related files. Step 9 is opening a new ChatGPT account on your PC. This is the account where you want to bring the chat context for reference or continuation. Step 11 is clicking on the plus icon to start a new chat. This button is used to create a fresh conversation where you can upload files. Step 12 is clicking on Add Photos and Files inside the chat window. This option lets you upload documents and zip files directly into a conversation. Step 13 is selecting the downloaded zip file from your computer. This uploads the exported data into the new account's chat. Step 14 is uploading and sending the file to preserve the chat context. This helps you keep the information, structure, and reference from your old conversations. Step 15 is remembering that this process won't actually transfer the chats into your history. It only allows you to keep and reference the data manually inside the new accounts. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Touch to Click channel for more helpful guides like this.